Hi, I'm back with another quick video for you. I have a table in this document that I've been working on for quite some time, and it extends through multiple pages of my document. At the top of my table, you can see I have a header row here. Okay, and the header row organizes all the information in your columns, and it makes it easy for you to reference, the meaning or the category of items that are in your table in each column. Now, as I scroll through my document, notice I don't have header rows on the subsequent pages, and this table spans through multiple pages of my document, which makes it difficult for me to keep track of the information that's in each column. So there is a way to automatically have a header row generated on each page of your table, and it will automatically update as you add information into the table. So let me just show you what that process is, and then I'll talk a little bit more about what occurs once you do add headings to each of your table columns as you move through the document on each page. Okay, so go up to your header row and just put your cursor in one of the columns in the header and right click and open this window here, this pop-up menu, and select Table Properties. Okay, now when I did this before, my Table Properties dialog box defaulted to this tab when it first opened, Table. And then you have to select row to get the tool that we need. But in any event, the button that you want or the menu that you want is in this row tab. So just select the row tab. And then right here, there's this option for repeat as header row at the top of each page. Magic, selected. Okay, and then select OK. Okay, now you can see that as I scroll through my document on each page, I have a header row. And it adds it in there automatically, and it doesn't, mess with or move the content in any sort of significant way. It just adds it, and the content will continue from page to page as it was before, but it just makes it easier for you to understand, and reference back to what the category of information is in each column. Now, even if I add, another bullet point here, and I extend this section of the table even further, it will, automatically generate these header rows on each page. So it's a great tool to keep your information in long documents understandable and quickly referenced for you, and you won't have any problem understanding what the categories of columns are. Now, I don't know what the different style manuals or reference guides want you to do for headers on your table. This is just a document, as I said before, that I'm using for a homework project. It's not for submitting to a journal article, or it's not for submitting as a journal article, and I'm not going to be handing this in to a teacher who might say, oh, I want you to use, API or whatever, and we don't use those header rows on each page. It very well could be. I don't have the manual here right in front of me, but you do want to look at that kind of information. Go to like Purdue reference checks and this sorts of things and look up table formatting, or if you've got the book like I do, it's just a wonderful book for API, you can look in there and see what it says. Or sometimes you can just type in the phrase like table formatting, type it into Google and then do an image search or sample search, and it will return you what it should look like. I wouldn't trust that solely on 100%. Like, do try to use your guides if you have them, but probably in most cases they are going to want you to have your headers on each of your pages of your table. So that's a quick tip for you. If you found this advice or this video helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll make more videos like this for you in the future. You can quickly learn information, not a lot of extra. That's all it is. Have a great day. Bye.